Hello, everyone, and welcome to the pronunciation series. In this episode, we pronounce the deepest lakes on Earth: Baikal, Tanganyika, Caspian Sea, Vostok, O'Higgins, San Martin, Argentino, Malawi, Issyk-Kul or Issyk-Kul, Great Slave, named so because of the Slavi people, indigenous people. Crater, Matano, General Carrera, Buenos Aires. Hornindal Svatnet, Guanel, Saraz, Toba, Tahoe. Salvatnet, Kivu, Grand Lake. Nawel, Wapi, Oroko, as in the picture. Cochrane, Pueyrredon, Lake Tin. Adams, Chalan, Musa, Van, Poso, Venyano, Great Bear, Manapuri, Como, Tianao, Tazawa, Kantaiskaya, Wakatipu, Gray, Superior. Well, that does it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.